Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix no sound on a Lenovo laptop. It could be low volume or no audio at all. All right, so first up, go ahead and go to the bottom right, click on your sound icon right here. Just click on it and at least try to amp it up. Okay. Now, if that will work, click on this icon right here besides it. Now, make sure that you select the correct output device. Let's say, for example, you have connected a Bluetooth headset or a wired headset. You can just try to select one of these options right here. If you select a headset, go ahead and wear your headset and it should work. Okay. Now, if your speakers right here, okay, still doesn't work, I'll go ahead over to more volume settings. Scroll all the way down and find more sound settings. Click on it. And then in here, I'm just going to go ahead and minimize this one. So in this section, find your speakers. Click on it and make sure that you click on Set Default. Okay. Once it's set to default, once it says Default Device, you can click on it again. Make sure that it is highlighted. Now click on Properties. In here, go ahead over to Enhancements and make sure that you disable all enhancements. Okay. Click on Apply. Now go to Advanced. If you set this 1 to 32-bit or even 24, if it doesn't work, go lower to 16 at least. And after that, go ahead and click on Test. Hit on Apply if it works. Okay. You could also disable these things right here. Allow application to take exclusive control. Disable it. Hit on Apply. Okay. Now test it out. Okay. Now, if that still won't work, go ahead and go to your Start menu, right-click on and click on Device Manager. And then in here, go ahead and find Audio Inputs and Outputs. Find your speakers, right-click on it, Update Driver. Search automatically for drivers. If it says the best drivers for your device are already installed, click on Search for updated drivers on Windows Update. Now, what you're going to do in here is just click on Check for Updates. And if there are available updates, install them all. It may ask you to restart your computer. Do not restart your computer yet. Okay. Go ahead over to Advanced Options right here. Click on Optional Updates, as many of our device drivers will be available right here. For example, Bluetooth, audio, keyboard, and whatever. Okay. Make sure that you install everything from here as well. Once everything is done, go ahead and restart your computer. And after that, you should be good to go. Now, if that still won't work, go back to Start right here, Device Manager. Go ahead and find Audio Inputs and Outputs. And then here again, Speakers. Right click. Now this time, click on Uninstall Device. Click on it and click on Uninstall right here. And then after that, do not forget to restart your computer so that the drivers will be reinstalled. Okay? And don't worry, it will just reinstall by itself. And once your computer boots up, test your laptop speakers and everything should work perfectly fine now. Now, if all else fails, if your laptop is still under warranty, the problem might be your laptop speaker, so go ahead and set it for repair or replacement. Okay? Now, if it's not under warranty, you can go ahead and choose to use an external output device. So what are external output devices? Bluetooth headset or earbuds, an external speaker, or a 3.5mm wired headset. All right. And by the way, also make sure, okay, that on your keyboard, let's say I have here on-screen keyboard. Now, there might be some special keys at the very top of your laptop. Okay. Make sure that if you can see a mute icon, you go ahead and the hold function and then the special key for mute. Okay. There you have it. That is how you fix no sounds on a Lenovo laptop. I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.